Hi, it's Steve Parker in another video of the 300 TDI conversion into series model Land Rovers. Our project vehicle is a long wheelbase Series 3 right hand drive 2 1/4 diesel. Today we're going to cover two aspects of the conversion: the oil cooler pipes and the air filter. We use the Discovery air filter, not the Defender round steel one, because it won't fit in the opening anyway. We mount the air filter via this bracket, which has got two lugs in it. This top one we pick up on the existing right hand drive and left hand drive steering box support plate to the bulkhead. The second one we would drill the support plate to mount it. Then the air filter is mounted inside here. There are several reinforcing ribs on the side of the air filter box. We grind those off and then we bolt it together with all the nuts and bolts which we supply to fix that in place. Before we install the air filter, on the previous installation on the Discovery there's two large holes in the bottom, so we supply you with the blanking plugs to seal those off. You need to seal the holes in the bottom of the air filter anyway to keep water out. I'll just move around here, then you'll be able to see what we're doing on the fitting for the turbo. The problem that we have, the induction hose is a big U-bend, and we need to get the part of the bend behind the inlet manifold. As you can see, there's not much room to bring it up around. We use both sections of the Discovery induction hose and we cut it in the centre so to form two elbows, an upper and a lower. It gives you all the details in what to do and how to do it in the instructions. The bottom part of the connection, we use this steel jointer and silicone holes to come onto a turbo. That then moves the induction hose back behind the inlet manifold. We have to raise it above the manifold with this other steel tube to come above it. One of the things which is quite important, the engine breather connection, the orientation as that has changed from the original installation as to how we have to rig it up now. Inside here is a V shape formed on the end of the pipe. That must be in the airflow so to create a vacuum behind it. Otherwise you get positive crankcase pressure, you will get oil leaks all over the place. Now we'll do the oil cooler pipes. We supply with two pipes and also the clamps, which we can see installed down there. This is the upper pipe and this is the lower pipe. We'll come around here again. You can see them installed. We have the upper connection, a nice kink in the pipe there so to clear the alternator, and the lower pipe which is bent then to clear the alternator mounting bracket at the back here. There's a very convenient cutout in the bottom of the air filter which allows us to get the oil cooler pipes underneath. When we install these pipes, we put the pipes on the oil filter head at the bottom and on the radiator at the top. Then we set the two clamps up, so we just nip the connection up at the bottom and the top so we can just adjust them, and then tighten up the clamps in the centre. We must make sure that it clears the accelerator linkage, the injector pump, all the pipe work, the air filter, alternator and bracket, etc. before they're installed. Once they're installed, we tighten up the top connections, bottom connection and both on the oil cooler head. Once we get the position to run the engine, we can check for oil leaks and coolant leaks, etc. That basically covers the installation for the 300 TDI. I hope you found this series of videos of help in doing the installation, and thanks for watching. Now we'll be doing a future video on power steering which is fitted to this vehicle, but we'll do that at a later video. Thanks very much. Bye for now.